Hey everyone. So recently we have released a new functionality on Transact where you can go ahead and reactivate the buyer and supplier if someone from your team have deleted them or made them inactive. From where you can do the same. So first of all, let us go to buyer and supplier module. You will get that option from all modules here. Go to buyer and suppliers. Now, after coming in buyer and supplier, please check. These are the list of your entire buyer and supplier. These are active, but here is a new option called inactive. So click on the inactive segment. Now, once you will come in inactive segment, please check. These are some of the supplier and both or buyer you will find which are deleted. Now you can go ahead and activate the same. How? You can select this particular checkbox and here you will see an option to recover or so for example these two I'm simply just going ahead and clicking on recover. Now it is added back to active and I can go ahead and make the transaction from them or single also you can do. Here is the recover option. From here you can simply just click and recover the same. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to activate or recover buyer and supplier in bulk. Have a good day ahead.